Rupesh. Welcome to my channel. And today
Hi,
we'll
Rajpal.
talk about your life, your M.Tech journey here, and especially about your branch in campus. So, to the people who are watching my channel, this is Rupesh Krishnan LinkedIn ID. You can search him here. It is this kind of his profile. And I'm Rajpal Singh Chauhan. So, let's start, Rupesh. The
Yeah,
first question is, you are from, although, please introduce yourself a bit, and then what was your GATE score and how did you prepare for it?
yeah, sure. Hello everyone. I am Rupesh Krishna. I am from Andhra Pradesh. I did my bachelor's in Metallurgical and Materials Engineering from NIT Warangal. I'm a pass out of 2023 batch. Later, I got an opportunity to work in Reliance Industries Limited in Gujarat. So I worked there for 1 year.
Hmm.
Then I wrote GATE. I got a GATE score of around 430. Even my rank was around between 360 to 400. So to get into IIT Kharagpur, I should have at least more than 360 to more than 360 for metallurgical and materials engineering.
Hmm.
So my score was just enough for me in the general category to get
Okay.
into IIT. And regarding preparation, so I didn't do much preparation. My bachelor studies was enough for me, but it's not always same for everyone. So depends on your work. Like if you are well prepared in your bachelor's work, then I think for metallurgy, specifically for metallurgy, the specific preparation won't be necessary if you are thorough with your bachelor's course.
Hmm.
But if you think you are not well prepared, then preparation is required.
Uh, Definitely, yeah.
Yeah.
Although you are from very good college in B.Tech, you prepared
Yeah.
for GATE with job also. That is also very difficult. So, still you have
Yes.
a
Yes.
good GATE score, I guess. And so now, why did you choose this particular M.Tech branch in IIT KGP especially? Because metallurgy and is in many colleges, I guess. It's in Delhi or Bombay also.
Yeah. 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 So like Kharagpur is one of the first IITs. Like it's the first, literally it's the first IIT.
Hmm.
So the chances I have was Kharagpur, then Guwahati, BHU, these things. I may have chance for Madras,
Hmm.
so I didn't go for the risk. Like in the first, second round, I got KGP,
You accepted.
so I didn't go for risk, so I chose KGP. So
If you
this
have
was
been
my
to
reason for choosing KGP.
right, if you have been to
Yeah.
like round 6, 7, you might have got Madras also, but very risky.
Yeah, yeah, I might have. Yeah.
So anyway, good choice by the way. Can you give a brief overview of your branch and what it focuses on?
So, as the name suggests, it's metallurgical and materials engineering. So,
Hmm.
metallurgy is like a process. So, if you go back to your 12th, everyone must have listened or at least heard this word term metallurgy.
Right.
So, if you didn't remember, it's fine. Like, mostly it depends on extraction, like
Hmm.
processing the ore and getting the metal. So the metallurgy refers to getting the metal from the ore states. So
Right.
it is different from mining. Mining is like getting the ore from the rock. It is mining. Metallurgy starts after mining.
Hmm.
So it not only iron, copper, zinc. These are called non-ferrous, which are related to iron are called ferrous. So
Okay.
this is the first part. The second part is materials engineering. So materials engineering is like the new like a solar,
Hmm.
silicon. Everyone is about like now with silicon, semiconductors. Like all these comes under materials engineering or like
Hmm.
ceramics, polymers. These all comes under materials division. So this is like the combined metallurgical and materials engineering. And currently here we don't have any specialization. We have metallurgical and materials engineering here.
Right.
Yeah.
So, what are the core subjects taught in your M.Tech program, and are the core subjects that you are studying, are they very old or they are related to current? current era or time?
Like core subjects, like there are four compulsory core subjects in the first two semesters.
Yeah.
They are thermodynamics, kinetics, and one is computer programming and numerical methods,
Hmm.
and the other one is characterization techniques.
Okay.
I can say that these core subjects are fine. They are definitely good.
Hmm. And in
So
second semester,
thermodynamics and kinetics are like anything.
and in
Like these are
second.
like both, uh, like including first and second.
Okay,
These
okay.
four are the core subjects.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
So, is the
and
curriculum very,
remaining,
sorry, is the curriculum very old or
no, we have
same
many
kind?
other electives.
Hmm. Okay,
Yeah, I can say like depends on the electives. We need to choose the good electives.
okay.
And I can say that the curriculum is a bit older. There should be a revision. Like our curriculum relies morely on metallurgy rather than materials engineering.
Mm-hmm.
So that's one part. So another thing is in KGP we have other department called Material Science Center.
Okay,
So that mainly focuses on materials engineering, more on materials rather than metallurgy.
right.
So I think that's the reason we focus mostly on metallurgy here.
Hmm.
It might be one of the reasons.
Okay, to the next question. Which subjects did you find the most interesting and why?
Uh, for me, the interesting subject is there is one elective called Advanced Iron Steel Making.
Hmm.
So the name is Advanced Iron Steel Making, but here we are introduced to a software called Faxage.
Okay.
So in this fax, it's a thermodynamic software. Here, literally, we can do every thermodynamic equation, like from simple equation like forming a water molecule to anything. We can, if we give a equation, we can get the Gibbs free energy, we can
Hmm.
get the enthalpy, everything, every thermodynamic parameter, we can calculate it. So this software will simulate whole process of extraction in metallurgy, like from initial to end stage. It can give the total energy input, energy output, and everything it can simulate, but it's like a thermodynamic way. It
Okay.
doesn't consider the kinetic part.
Hmm.
It only gives the thermodynamic part. But most of the industries use this software for calculating before the actual process.
Okay.
And the professor who teaches this course is one of the member of developing this software.
Oh, that's very nice. Yeah.
So yeah, and even in India, like only 3 to 4 IITs teach this software, like Madras, Hyderabad, and Kharagpur. I think only these three institutes has this Faxage course. So this is like one of the interesting courses I had in my semester. And one more thing is we have a course on machine learning.
Hmm.
So nowadays, machine learning is integrated in, I mean, I think in all domains.
Yeah,
So even
definitely.
in metallurgy and material science, machine learning is even IIT has a supercomputer like
Hmm.
Param Shakti.
Your voice is audio is stuck. Video is also stuck. Hello, Rupesh. Hello. Hello. It's okay. Okay, so my main question is like you mentioned this software name, uh, F, sorry,
Faxage.
Backstage. So this software and the machine learning, did it help you during your placement? Because
Hmm.
you are placed in a good company right now. We won't tell its
Yes,
name,
yes.
but it is you are placed. So did that software help you doing it during your interview?
Actually, the company which I placed, it didn't help much. But there are companies, for sure, there are many companies for
Hmm.
which it will be very great help. But
Okay.
I was placed before those companies, before attempting those companies.
Okay.
So, yeah,
Okay. Good for you. Next question. So,
yes, yes.
were there any subjects that you find particularly challenging?
Yeah, like there's one subject called Advanced Electron Microscopy.
Hmm.
So, like any courses starting with advanced are really challenging. So
Yeah,
this course is
yeah.
like it goes depths of microscopic techniques.
Hmm.
So I felt this was a bit challenging.
Okay. And how are exams, assignments, and grading typically handled? Is it hectic or smooth? Teacher easily gives marks, or they like hesitated a lot? No, even if you have written much, we won't give you so many marks because this does not happen in
Mm.
our department. We will give you less CGP only. That just can't happen in your department.
Yeah, yeah. No, like if you say is it hectic or smooth, I will say it's hectic because we have a bunch of courses. Like the total credits are very high, but at the
Hmm.
same time, the courses are not too much difficult. Like we
Hmm.
have too much load, but if you focus, it's not that difficult to get average grades.
Yeah, right.
Like even all the faculty are very friendly. Most of the faculty are friendly,
Hmm.
so it's easy to get average grades. I can say it's not difficult to get high. I can also say that it's not too difficult to get high grades, but it's very easy to get average grades. I can say that. Like few of my friends feel like they came into IIT. The feeling of getting into IIT, they might feel that I am in IIT. The course curriculum will be very tough. This
Hmm.
feeling made them a bit backward. I can say that
Underconfident, I guess.
the pressure of being in IIT is one of the disadvantage here.
Hmm. I can understand.
And coming to grading, it's like relative grading in most of the cases.
Hmm.
So even if the subject is very tough,
Hmm.
it's no issue. Because I remember in one of the courses, the excellent grade was given to the guy who scored just 40 marks, I guess. The overall marks out of 100, it's just 40. He got excellent grade.
If
So
your
the grading is okay.
relative grading is in all the subjects,
Yeah.
that's a big
Yeah,
relief.
mostly all of, in all subjects.
That's a very big relief. And if you get absolute marks, then the CGP can be very less. But if you are in relative, you
Yeah,
can
yeah.
get 9 plus very easily, I guess. By the way, what was your
Yes.
CGPA, may I ask?
Yeah, mine is 9.8.
Oh, awesome, yeah. Truly awesome. Are you the
Thank you.
topper of your branch?
Yeah, correct.
Okay, awesome, yeah. I think we have talked about electives and interdisciplinary courses. You mentioned machine learning
Yeah,
and
machine learning. And
uh,
we also have an option for breadth elective where we can choose a subject from other departments.
hmm, okay.
So
So
there,
teacher doesn't stop them from taking any subject you want. Like you can take any subject. They don't stop you, right?
yeah, we can take any subject. Yeah.
Yes, that's
I can
nice.
say like, I even took a course from a department called Indian Knowledge Systems. The
Mm-hmm.
course is on yoga. The name of the course is Foundations of Yoga. I took this course as an elective. So we
Okay,
can take any course.
yeah, that's nice. Now about research and thesis work. Uh, Since how easy or difficult is it to find a guide for thesis or research work? Who is your favorite guide and professor?
Like the research work here, you see, KGP is one of the first IITs, and metallurgy department is one of the oldest departments here.
Yeah.
So definitely the research work is really good here.
Hmm.
And finding the thesis, like depending on our first semester and second semester, we can choose what is our interest lies on, depending on the subjects. Or if you have a basic knowledge on from your bachelor's, you can make it as your foundation, and then you can build it up. And during the end of second semester, we need to choose the projects. Like there will be a list of projects circulated from our faculty advisor.
Hmm.
Then from those list we need to choose our interest. And recently the project selection was made very smooth to our juniors.
Hmm.
Like it's like the student interests are made a top priority.
Okay.
Then it's like a counseling.
Hmm.
So based on students interests, they have a meeting, and the projects are allotted like with the
Ba-
interests of the
Based on
students.
CGPA ranking, kind of, you can.
Yeah, it's not exactly based on CGPA, but there's some criteria to CGPA.
Okay. If you will you name your favorite professor, if you have any?
Like favorite professor, like my guide is Professor Chandrasekhar Tiwari. So I am currently working under him in additive manufacturing.
Hmm.
So my project is really good and interesting. So this additive manufacturing is really different from the conventional process. Like I print at room temperature
Hmm.
using metal as an ink. So it's really interesting project. And I said like Faxage was also one more interesting software. So it is taught by Professor Manas Paliwal.
Hmm.
So I can say these are my favorite professors.
Printing through metal at room temperature. This is amazing.
Yeah.
Okay. Um, and what are the other kind of research opportunities? Say like other professors, what are
Hmm.
their niche they are working on? Um,
Like we have from basic like physical metallurgy, going through the microstructures or fundamental structures of metals and everything, to energy materials and electrochemical cells, fuel cells, and batteries. And also we have research projects. Few professors are working on recycling battery materials and electromagnets.
hmm.
So we have a wide range of research work. Although we don't have in semiconductors and solar, we
Hmm.
currently don't have these domains in our department. But if you go to ceramics, composites, we have everything in materials except for semiconductors and
Okay.
solar, these things.
Um, is your branch having or your professors having projects from industry also, sponsored
Yeah,
projects
yeah, yeah.
like?
So like one of the big industries you might know is Tata Steel. We have
Hmm.
many collaborative projects from Tata Steel, and research institutes like DRDO, DMRL, BARC. There are many projects with them, and many professors have projects from industries, from small industries. I don't know the names of the industries like Tata Steel. These are the big names.
Yeah, definitely. So, do you guys get a chance to go to those industries and work for like few months or 6 months or 1 year?
Yeah, yeah. So one of my batchmate, he's doing his project in at Tata Steel.
Hmm.
So like one of the scientists at Tata Steel, he's his co-guide. So
Okay.
other professor, his main guide is from our college. So it depend upon the project guide. If he allows to go to any other industry, then we may go and we can do our project there. And even one of my batchmates, he's currently in Germany now.
Hmm.
He's doing his project there as a part of DAD scholarship.
Yeah.
So there's something called DAD cost by program
Okay.
where you can go to Germany and do your project there for 6 to 7 months, and you
Hmm.
can return here and complete that.
That's very nice. I want to ask one more question. Like, if few students who are working in during project outside, Okay, they
Yeah.
will definitely or mostly miss the CDC opportunities or placement test kind of things.
Yes, yes.
So, are the professors of your department that is strong that those students who are outside will be placed in that industry most of the time? मतलब उनका उस कंपनी में हो ही
Uh,
जाएगा ऐसा चांसेस अच्छे रहते हैं या कम है
yeah.
मतलब?
I think those chances are a bit low. But this time our professors gave permission, like we took permission from the CDC to attempt the exams from the respective locations. Like
Hmm.
our friends who are doing projects outside, they wrote their test from the respective location,
Okay,
like the online tests.
that's a big relief.
But yeah, yeah. And our interviews will start in December, so they came back to our campus in December. So I think it's fine for interviews.
That's nice. The thing is that कि नवंबर एंड में प्रोजेक्ट का प्रेजेंटेशन होता है एंड ड्यूरिंग
Yeah.
15 फर्स्ट 15 days of December they have interviews in the CDC, so that's not an issue if they go outside during project.
Hmm.
So, yeah, are there opportunities for publishing papers or attending conferences in the like in
Yeah,
India or
yeah.
outside India also during M.Tech? PhD
Yes,
we have
yes. Yes,
opportunity,
yes.
but during M.Tech.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Even M.Tech we have, like whole IIT KGP we have an opportunity in for M.Tech students. Like
Hmm.
we can go for one international and one national conference free. Like the KGP will fund us. So
Hmm.
there is an option for M.Techs as well. And even I will be attending a conference in IIT Madras in late of February.
Okay,
So
very nice. Yeah.
it's all depends on the interest of the student.
That's nice. Have you written any paper or are you writing right now?
Yeah, I'm currently working on it.
Oh, that's nice. All the best to you. By the way, I have also written one paper during my time. It got published very late in the
Okay,
late November, but finally it was published. And
okay, okay.
yeah, so are there any scholarships or collaborations available for foreign internships or research, like you mentioned, that COSPI? Can you like
Yeah,
elaborate
yeah.
little bit about that, or any other scholarship also available to your branch, especially?
Mhm. Like I cannot say there is a specific scholarship for our branch, but
Hmm.
that COSPA is a scholarship which is for I think most of the IITs have this dad COSPA scholarship where you can apply in second semester, I guess, around I think February or March,
Hmm.
where we need to find a professor from German university. We need to write mails to them. If they accept our proposal and
Hmm.
our current guide in KGP and German can agree with the project, then then it will be sorted. Like half of the work is done there. Then there will be interviews, etc. for selection. So this
And
is caused by and like KGP has something called Foreign Training Program (FTP).
okay.
So this year we had few collaborative projects from
Hmm.
Japan, and there is university called Warwick
Hmm.
and Manchester. We have few internship opportunities this year for my juniors, like current
Okay.
M.Tech first year students. Like there were like 4 to 5 projects.
Hmm.
These are collaborated with foreign universities.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah. Even one of my junior went to London for 2 months after second
Okay, okay.
semester. So,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
and even in that COSP scholarship, they get a handsome
Yeah,
like
stipend.
amount of around 83,000 or 90,000 per month, I guess. So
Yes.
these opportunities are very good for students who are uh, like looking for exploring other nation, other things. That's
Yeah,
good.
yeah.
By the way, you had good CGPA. Why didn't you go outside?
So actually, I had some issue with passport, and I was not interested to go outside that much at that point of time. So because of these issues, I didn't apply for that.
The main criteria for getting that is like getting above 8.5 CGPA. If you have that,
Yeah.
you can easily go outside.
Yes.
And number of students are around two or three who are eligible from per branch.
Yes, I think yes.
Okay, okay, that's nice. Um, uh, like we will skip this question we have had, and this one also. The industry exposure, live projects, or internship during M.Tech we have discussed. Mm, yeah, during your course of 2 years, how many
Mm.
workshops or certification courses are organized by your department? Uh, can you like tell about
Yeah,
it?
yeah, sure. Like after first semester in December, there are series of workshops, like at least two to three. The series called Spark series.
Okay.
So in that Spark program, there are many workshops conducted by our department.
Hmm.
So few are related to life cycle assessment and corrosion studies, which is
Hmm.
more related to industry kind of thing. So
Hmm.
similar workshops will be conducted like every winter, I guess.
Okay.
So if you stay in Kharagpur in winter, you will get plenty of opportunities to explore these workshops.
So industrialists
And
and
this,
professors from outside or even India with good
yeah,
industry
yeah,
experience, they come. You
yes,
guys can meet with
they
them.
come and yes, we can have a good interaction. Like if we are interested to go there and do some kind of PhD in future, then we
Mhm.
can get good contacts.
Yeah, you can directly
So it's a
contact
really
with
good
them, sir.
opportunity.
This is my
Yeah,
project and I'm willing to work under you. That's very
yeah,
interesting opportunity. Yeah,
yes,
nice. And
yes.
about your faculties, how many teachers are there in your department?
So currently we have 24, I think.
34.
And our branch, like M.Tech strength is 30 to 30, 35. Currently, we have 35 students, and the
Okay.
faculty are 24. So the faculty to students ratio is very good, I think.
Hmm. Yeah, that's really nice. Like,
Coming to
there
like infrastructure, we have good amount of lab facilities here in Kharagpur.
hmm.
We also have a central research facility apart from our departmental facilities.
Hmm.
So lab facilities are very good here.
So, like the qualification of your teachers, like they must be very highly qualified.
Yes,
But if
yes,
you
they are
can
highly
give
qualified.
one two example, like,
Like, my guide, he did his PhD from ISC Bangalore.
hmm,
Later, he did his postdoc from Rice University. And like most of the faculty have done their masters in IITs and did their PhDs in ISC or in any foreign universities. And they have, or few have done work in good industries abroad, and I can say that they are like top-notch faculty of India. Like most of them are very good faculty.
hmm.
Like I can say that everyone are not good at teaching what they know, but everyone are knowledgeable.
Yeah, they must be very knowledgeable.
Yeah, like few can't express what they know, but they are all very knowledgeable.
Okay, about teaching assistant and research assistant opportunities, like during your first year, were you a TA?
No, like in my first year, I was not any TA. In
Hmm.
my
Second,
second year, first semester, yeah, in
yeah.
second year we have this TA-ship.
Okay, so you had
So
to
I
do
was a
this.
TA for a course, and it depends upon your supervisor.
Hmm.
If he wants us to lab or anything, then we need to go for that particular lab course also.
Okay.
But I think it's manageable. This TA-ship is manageable. We can manage this with our project.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Me, Rupesh, about how's after placement. You are placed, okay, in this January. Recently, you are placed.
Yeah.
How's life during campus after placement? Okay, this because it is a very, it's like a honeymoon period, I will say,
Yeah.
right?
Like I cannot exactly say that because I still have my M.Tech project to complete. So I am like I become a bit more serious about my project after getting placed.
Mhm.
So I don't have any excuse to say to my guide like I am preparing for my project. Sorry, I'm preparing for placement.
Okay.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
if your project is chill, then after placement the time will be like really like honeymoon period. So, but still, like I enjoyed my first year a lot,
Hmm.
literally a lot. Like my
Hmm.
bachelor's, like 2 years were in COVID, so I
Hmm.
didn't enjoy my bachelor's that much. So as soon as I entered KGP,
Hmm.
I was searching for which society I need to join.
So did you
So
join any?
here, like, yeah, like there was one society which started in 24, like it's a Warriors Martial Arts Society. So I have good some practice of karate in my childhood days.
Hmm.
So I joined that club, and I am also part of other club called Project Bal Rakshak. So
Okay.
you might
Like,
have heard about
yeah.
CRY, Child Rights
Yeah.
and You. So
Yes.
it's a small team under CRY, and I'm also a departmental PG representative of Metallurgical
Hmm.
Materials Engineering department.
Hmm. Yeah.
And there's one more society called SRDC. I joined this society in my second year. It's mostly for getting research internships for KGP students.
Hmm.
So I successfully joined in 3 to 4 societies here.
That's a lot, yaar. Matlab, how did you get the time to do all these things? Because after classes, you are involved in other
Yeah,
things
yeah.
also. So it is a big.
Yes, yes.
I mean,
Like
classes are very
time
hectic.
management is really, yeah, classes are very hectic. Like, but my Saturdays and the Sundays goes for these societies.
Okay. Okay, nice.
Yeah,
Also, you talked about internship. So during your summer break,
yeah, yeah.
where did you go for internship?
So actually, my guide referred to me to a research institute in Hyderabad.
Hmm.
So it's International Research Institute for Advanced Powder Metallurgy and New Materials.
Hmm.
So it's a government institute. So I went there for my internship.
Okay, did you get a stipend also there?
Uh, no, like this is a research internship, so I didn't get any stipend. So one truth I need to say, like internships for our branch through CDC is very limited.
Yeah.
So I can say it's rare. The internships are very rare through CDC. I
They
can say
mostly
that.
focus on B.Tech and more than that, they
Yeah,
focus on
mostly on
software
software.
roles.
Yeah,
So for core roles, we can't depend on
yeah,
KGP's
CDC.
placement opportunities. We have to
Yeah,
go
yeah.
for professors and for like our seniors,
Hmm.
we can contact them directly.
Yes.
So you chose right one.
Or if, yeah, we need to talk with the professors at an early stage. Like we need to
Hmm.
plant the seed that I want to do internship outside.
Hmm.
Then only he will give the opportunity to go outside. Or it's the better way is to find an internship or on our own through LinkedIn or somewhere. If you
Hmm.
want to do an internship in an industry, then from December, I suggest to apply in LinkedIn or through referrals or any other contacts through AGP alumni or any other network. We need to start searching from December or January. Yes. Yeah, actually, your voice is not audible. Hello. No, your voice is not audible. Shall I rejoin? No, no, still not
Hello.
audible. Yeah, yeah. Hello.
Now fine?
Yeah, no, it's fine.
That's so like if you have a good professor, it is very easy to get internship, right?
Yeah, get an internship. Yes.
Okay, okay. So yeah, you mentioned about society clubs, societies, technical groups already that you had
Yeah,
joined
yeah, yeah.
during your time. Nice to hear about that.
Yes.
Um,
Like apart from that, we have illumination in our first semester. Illumination during Diwali, like it's a very good thing I can say. No, if you are like if you are like not from KGP, then you don't know about illumination. Like it's a very grand fest, I can say. You will
yeah,
be surprised to see like there is an event like that happens in KGP.
yeah. That day,
And
Yeah.
Yeah, and Spring
Then
Fest is also very good cultural fest.
during illumination, KGP is like a very beautiful bride.
Yeah.
It is very beautiful that day. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's talk about your alumni network. So during your time, did you connect with your
Mhm.
alumni network? How strong is it? And how old is your department exactly? And do you know any notable alumni? They are working very good in your industries.
Like our department started here, I think around 1995 or 1960s, before 1960 for
Hmm.
sure. I think 1994 or something around that. It's like one of the starting branches, I think so.
Hmm.
Like regarding the alumni network, we don't have any dedicated group or something to connect with alumni, but our professors have some contacts to alumni, and I can say like I connected with few alumni through LinkedIn,
Hmm.
but we don't have any dedicated space. Like
Okay.
KGP has some alumni cell, but
Hmm.
for metallurgy department we don't have any dedicated, I can say dedicated body to connect with alumni.
Okay, okay, fine.
Yeah.
Um, about the internships, what percentage of students in your branch they secure internship, and what are the kind of internship? Like you joined in a research one. If anyone wants
Mm,
to join
yes,
industry,
yes.
because there they
Mm,
have chance for pre-placement offer also.
yeah, yeah. Like through the placement cell of KGP, I can say it's less than 5% or so. Like in our batch, it's 0%. Like through
Hmm.
the placement cell.
Okay.
So through the recommendation of our faculty, two students went to industry.
Hmm.
So, but they are not offered the pre-placement offer.
Can you name the
But they
industry?
just went. Uh, like it's not a big industry. The industry has some collaboration with the professor.
Okay.
So he went to that industry.
Hmm. Okay. Uh, in some branches of the Kharagpur,
Hmm.
some professors or department forces their students to opt their second year outside of the college. Like in my department,
Yeah.
as it used to happen in rubber technology, they force students to go outside and work in that industry, even with zero stipend. So,
Okay.
what about your branch?
Okay.
The force or like you
In
are staying in
our
campus, you can easily stay in campus.
Yes, yes. Like in our department, I can say it's kind of opposite. They encourage us to do a project here itself.
Okay.
But if you are interested to go to any industry, then it's fine. Like he should sort this out with the with his guide.
Mhm.
So if the professor allows, then he can go outside and do internship. But most of us do the project and internship here. Like our projects we do here, only 2 to 3 students in our batch are currently doing outside KGP.
Okay. Okay. Nice. Mm, as you mentioned, very less chances of converting them to full roles.
No, yeah,
Um,
0% I can say.
like now we will talk about placements because this is very
Yeah,
important part. We join
yeah,
IIT so that we can get good placement.
yes.
So, what are the core and non-core placement opportunities available for your branch?
Like I will start with non-core.
Okay.
Like there are plenty of opportunities for non-core,
Hmm.
but still, but there's a plenty of competition too. Like
Hmm.
competition from B.Tech students, from dual degree students,
Yeah.
from various type of masters, MBA students. Everyone we have competition.
Hmm.
So there's opportunity, but there's also a competition. So
Hmm.
if you have very good resume and very good skills, then it's a good opportunity in non-core.
Hmm.
So you should have very good skills apart from your core curriculum. You should have the respective skills like coding skills or Python or data structures. Or if you want to go into finance or management or consulting, we need to have those skills for sure, or else it will be very difficult to go into non-core.
Okay.
Or if you're doing a project in machine learning,
Mm,
then or using Python or anything, then there might be some edge in those roles. And coming to core, like placements are very interesting here. Like they are very uncertain. Like we cannot predict how the placements will be depending on the past scenario.
mm,
So like our previous batch had very good placement statistics. Like out of 35, they 28 to 29 or 30 were placed through the placement cell.
mm,
And our just immediate seniors, only half of them were placed.
mm,
So we cannot expect what is the placement scenario. Even it goes to all IITs, I guess, for metallurgy specifically.
totally
Like
left field.
this year, yeah, this year, IIT Madras has very good placement for metallurgy
Mm,
compared to other IITs. So it's very difficult to predict about the placements of our branch, or you can say core. Like
uh,
the company which came last year may or may not come this year. So it's definitely unpredictable.
if a student get unplaced during even last and completes his course, what are the options he have after M.Tech?
So like he can convert his M.Tech into PhD here if he's interested in doing PhD. He can
Mm,
convert and do under the same guide. He can continue the PhD work,
okay.
or he can apply for PhD in abroad.
Mm,
So if his professor refers to any other professors from abroad,
mm,
then it's a good chance. Or the students can apply through different portals. There are many opportunities in Japan. Like there's a Ministry of Education of Japan that's giving opportunities for Indian students to do research work there. So
okay.
in April to May, they open applications for the PhD and masters,
Okay. Okay.
postgraduate courses and PhD courses. And other opportunities are like you can join as a junior JRFs in DRDO or
Okay.
CSIR, those research institutes, and simultaneously we can prepare for BARC bar. There is an institute called BARC. So we can every year they conducts examinations. We can prepare for that or any other PSUs, or
Okay. Mm,
we can try for private jobs while working as this JRF instead of
yeah.
sitting alone.
Yeah. I mean, you might have to wait, but you will definitely get something good for sure. That kind of a situation. Right.
It depends on your willpower and belief on you.
Yeah, sometimes it become little tough situation, but patience is important
Yes.
because scenarios are
Yes.
changing. Uh, okay, no worries. Uh, this year's placement of your 35 student batch, as we are
Yeah.
recording this video in February 2026. By now, how many of your batchmates are placed? Uh,
So out of 35, currently 13 members are placed.
13 members are placed. Okay.
Yeah,
Uh,
like around 4 to 5 companies have taken the students.
45 companies have taken 13 students. Can you tell me the name of those 4 to
Yes.
5 companies? You have any idea?
Like out of these 4 to 5 companies, two are like PSUs.
Hmm.
One is Midani. It's related to metallurgy. It's in
Okay.
Hyderabad.
Hmm.
And other is GMDC. It's Gujarat Mineral Development Corporation. It is
Okay.
also a PSU.
Hmm.
And one more company is Skyroot Aerospace.
Hmm.
And the other is Netterwala. Like these four companies
Okay.
visited till now.
Do you know approximate packages those companies offers?
Mm,
Yes.
I can say like all these companies have in the range of 9 to 13, I guess. 9 to 13 in the range of 9 to
Okay.
13. Least will be 9, highest is 13.
Okay. All those four companies. It's
Yeah.
very respectable placement to start your career, and that's good.
Yeah.
Um As you know, these four companies, apart from these four companies, any other companies that might come this year or generally recruit from your branch, like Tata Steel, does it recruit
Yeah.
or
Yeah, Tata Steel generally recruits every year,
hmm,
but this year it's unfortunate that they are not willing to take, I guess. Or there might still be chance they may come this same year, but
generally three to four
generally they
students,
recruits
generally three
every
to
year.
four students of your branch
Yeah.
definitely get selected in that Tata Steel
Yes, yes. Yes.
Jamshedpur
But
plant.
this year they have very, yeah, yeah. But this year I think they have very less recruitment. That is one of the reason I think so.
And they select for management trainee, I guess. Um, and they
Yes,
offer
yes.
decent. Okay. Do you have, when the companies visit you for placement, do you have competition with your bachelor students, like B.Tech students from metallurgical branch? Do they compete with you, or you 35 students alone are in competition? Is it so?
Like I can say that the competition from B.Tech and dual degrees are a bit less. Like they are more interested in non-core placements.
Hmm.
So very few percentage of the B.Tech and dual degrees are interested in core. I think might be the toppers or top two, three students. So I
Hmm.
can say the competition is a bit low with
Okay.
the undergraduates. So they are more interested in non-core
Hmm.
profiles. Only very few are interested in core profiles, and few companies which come to placements, they specifically recruits M.Tech students. Few
Hmm.
companies.
Yeah.
So there is some advantages with the companies coming for especially M.Tech students.
Yeah, it is said that companies who want research profiles, they prefer masters because
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, so
Most of the companies prefer master students.
that's a relief for research if
Yes.
you are in research going on.
Yeah.
Okay, now about your personal experience, Rupesh. These four semesters, uh, one story, if you mention, if you remember that you will always remember it for your life that this happened with you in KGP, kind of a or a rewarding part of your journey. You would like to share with us.
Like I think I missed my bachelor days due to COVID. So when I joined KGP, one
Hmm.
thing was so like I don't want to miss that here.
Hmm.
So I used every opportunity here. Like initially I participated in some dance workshops, I guess. So even from that, I used every single opportunity like a B.Tech student. Like most of the master students don't use these opportunities. They
Hmm.
think like it's not for us. But I want to explore all the opportunities here. I tried everything, and in this way, I became an extrovert kind of, I guess. From introvert to I become a kind of extrovert.
Yeah.
Even I participated in Spring Fest, like last time and this time in some art competitions I participated. In Spring Fest 26, we participated in a costume designing competition, and we also won first prize for that.
Really?
So these are like many, like it's in an unexpected way. Like there's a costume designing competition with paper. We need to make a art with paper, and my friend, I will make the costume to my friend, and he needs to walk on the ramp. Like it was a very good experience. We literally won first prize there.
Yeah.
Uh, Even our
That's
seniors were very good to us. They really helped guiding us, and we are following the same in guiding our juniors. So my experience is really good here.
I can see your juniors must be really lucky to have seniors like you. And also, you are very smart personality, I can sense right now. And it's a good thing. Um, okay. Now, did you face any major challenge there? Like, is there any kind of discrimination between M.Tech, B.Tech student, or any kind of challenge you face?
Like challenges are like during the December, I guess mostly on November and December. Like mostly the placements will start in December.
Hmm.
Only the non-core companies will come first.
Hmm.
So we need to wait till last of the December.
Hmm.
The core placement started end of the December and January and February, at the end of January and February. So we need to have more patience. Like
Hmm.
in day one, all my friends in non like from CSE and other branches, they were in suit ready and they are going to
Uh,
Nalanda for interviews. But I was sitting in my room waiting for shortlist. So that is a very critical stage, I guess. We need to have more faith in the placement cell and ourselves, and we need to wait the whole December.
that
So
is
November
very
and December is a very critical time.
that is a very depressing time also because
Yeah, yeah,
when
very depressing.
friends get placed and we don't see any company coming for us, that hurts a lot.
Yeah. Oh, every students are roaming with suit and blazer for Nalanda to hostel, but we are sitting in our rooms waiting for shortage. It's really
And the
depressing.
thing, and the thing is that during initial days, they get very good placements like 30, 40 lakhs, 50
Yeah,
lakhs, very
yeah,
normal
yeah.
there. And
Yes,
I can understand your challenge. Yeah, you have, but I'm happy for you that you are placed in a good company now. And like, if you could go back and start from first year again, what thing you would like to add in your journey? Because in 3 months, your journey will end. In 2 months, I guess. No, no, 3 months.
yes, yes.
So,
Yeah.
what would you like to add?
Like
Like, you should have done that also.
I think I should have learned Python or any coding language or machine learning. Like it really helps a lot.
Hmm.
If you're interested in coding, I suggest to learn any of the coding languages. Python will
Okay.
be very great because
Hmm.
it will be useful in any domain. So
Yeah.
Python is a definite. It should be learned. Like it's also easy to learn.
Hmm.
And machine learning, if you are interested, then we can have our own self projects in machine learning.
Hmm.
So self project has more weightage in the resume also.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah. Like.
so these are few things I should have done in my first 2 semesters.
Very helpful advice for your juniors, by the way. The same I was about to ask in this question, which advice? And you mentioned Python and machine learning. Like when after gate counseling, if we have enough time, 2, 3 months, or 1 month at least. During that time, we can use our time and learn those languages. Because after that, we
Yes,
hardly get
we
time.
can. Yeah.
Okay. Any
If we
other
start
advice?
during that time, we can continue in our first semester learning those skills.
Any other advice you would like to give to your juniors?
Like if your final aim is only placements, then you need to think more. So placements is really uncertain.
Hmm.
So even if your final goal is placement, you need to enjoy your first year here. You need to explore all the opportunities the IIT gives to you.
That's very nice.
It's
Yeah.
not only about the placement, but placement is a critical part.
I got you. Like as you are saying that knowledge you will definitely have because you are correct cat and you are getting educated from good professors.
Yes, yes.
What interview sees most is the personality you have, like the way
Yeah,
you are presenting yourself, your thoughts, and that is shaped very well by how you take part in other things, how you enjoy your journey, how you see apart from books. Mostly,
yeah,
M.Techs are infamous for their bookish because they keep studying, and bachelors enjoy their life very well because
yeah,
they take part in every other thing. So, if you are taking part, you are as equivalent as your bachelor's student because that matters. IITs are famous for their extracurricular things, not study this time. So, I think that's very important advice you have given. One must live the life that they are getting in IIT.
yeah,
And
definitely.
yeah, so after your plans, I guess you will join the job, and I guess after that, maybe higher education or whatever you want to opt. I would like to say all the best to you. And
Thank
would you
you.
recommend this branch to your future students? Uh,
Yeah, this branch, I definitely recommend this branch. Like, if you are interested in research, metallurgy and materials engineering is one of the branch which is very good for research. Like,
Hmm.
it's in every domain. Like, coming from like this transistors, wafers, solar cells, everywhere metallurgist is there in every domain. So, like, it's more of research oriented. If you are
Hmm.
interested in research, then this is very good branch.
Hmm.
And I see like most of the mechanical students also take our branch as an M.Tech or for research. Like a few PhDs in our department have done their undergraduation from mechanical, chemical, and also few are from electrical too, electrical and electronics too.
Okay, okay.
So in the view of research, it's a very good branch.
Hmm. That's
So
nice.
on,
Say if you have to add something.
yeah, that's placement is a very, very critical topic. I cannot say much more on that.
It's okay.
Yeah.
That's okay. Uh, so the cool guy you are seeing right now, Rupesh Krishna. I'll mention his email. Sorry, his LinkedIn ID in the description box, and same of mine. Thank you, Rupesh, by the way, for sharing your experience. I think
Thank you, Rajpal. It's my
in the
pleasure.
in the upcoming years, many juniors will be connected to you through this video because it will be very helpful to them while choosing their direction. Thank you for sharing your time and energy. Thank you very much. All the best to you, by the way.
Thank you, Rajpal. Thank you.